Previously on Florida Coast Detecting.
Yeah, you found some glasses. Well, it's fake, but it will make your heart skip a beat.
Welcome back, folks. Today, our story picks up at Jensen Beach. Jensen Beach. It looks like may get some more storms. I don't know. Let's see what we got here, though. Let's hit this beach. Alright, that was a 64 on the machine. Here it is. Like I've said before, if I can get 1 coin, I'm happy. And right there's a penny. Looks like a shield.
A penny? Well, that's not very substantial now, is it? You're gonna have to do just a little bit better. Now, why don't you go on back out there, keep swinging that detector until you find something better, all right?
We've got a tone somewhere. 29. All right, in the scoop. And again, just a pull tab. That was right around 30. When I came out here just probably 15 minutes ago, it was low 90s and it feels like temperature was close to 110. Then these clouds came in. Feels better, but humidity is still 70%. The furnace is definitely still on in South Florida. Okay, I think we got that 30 tone in the scoop. And it is another pull tab. Another pull tab. Might would help if I put my sand back in the hole. This week's been pretty vacant out here at Jensen Beach. Been paying attention to the webcam. Not really any body at all. Just a couple of stragglers here and there through the week. And then we had the hurricane come through on Thursday. Of course, nobody was out here then. And I was hoping to see some sort of an erosion cut here, but we just didn't have the surf to do it. And even today, there's just not that many people out. Had some surfers out here earlier I was hoping to catch, but I think the storm ran them off. tone. Looks like about a 90. Looks like we got an old quarter.
Eddie, was that fun? Who's saving you?
All right. Hadn't been many tones on this beach today, so if this one's trash, probably should record it just so we dug something up. So we got about like a 30, I think, 33. Maybe a pull tab. I think that's what the other two were. Oh, it's the arm to an eyeglass, I think. Is that? No, that's plants. Never mind. It did look just like an arm to a sunglasses. And it is indeed a pull tab. Just another pull tab. Probably not going to have too many targets between now and the end, so just going to leave it running. Hopefully we'll get something else. And it's getting close to dinner time, so we're going to head back to the entrance and head on home, but probably got about 20 more minutes of detecting left. So far I've seen 3 other metal detectors and saw one, or actually talked to one, that he's been out here before. He has only found a nail so far. He's only hitting the wet though. But we have found a quarter, a penny, 3 pull tabs, and I think that's it. In the off season, pretty sparse. And you know that's going to be junk. I have yet to find a good one. That was, I saw it was green. Where'd it go? I have yet to find a good one that was in the single digits. Only a matter of time now. That's just some foil. You know, you come out enough, and eventually when those single digits or something in the teens are going to end up being a really nice ring. So furnace is back on. It sounds like a bottle cap. 48. Come on, let's get that bottle cap. Alright, in the scoop. We definitely caught a shell, too. Ooh, that's some stinky sand. Well, I didn't see it. It's because it's still down here. I'm confused. Okay, definitely don't have it. Okay, I think we definitely got it. It was not a bottle cap, but it was kind of close. I don't know what that is. It's some kind of a tack. I just had to switch batteries out, but that was some sort of a tack. Just had a paper circle with a tack nail through the center of it. It's kind of a strange thing to be out here, but maybe it was, who knows, birthday party?
If you made it this far, thanks for joining us, and I hope we've earned your subscription. Just a penny and a quarter today. It's kind of depressing when you compare it to last weekend with that gold doubloon she found. Oh my goodness. Granted, it was fake, but still, I just can't get over how that coin looked. Next week, we're back at Jensen Beach, right after Hurricane Milton, and boy, did it do a number on the beach. So until then, y'all be good to one another.